Black Panther 2 is on the way. Black Panther fans get that cross-arm salute ready because plans for a sequel to this year's hit blockbuster has reportedly already been set in motion. The film broke records in Africa and became the first film to rake in over $100 million at the local box office. Now fans will get another chance to visit Wakanda. According to The Hollywood Reporter, director Ryan Coogler has closed a deal to both write and direct the sequel. Ryan has apparently already started preliminary planning on the film and will write the script next year. Production is set to start late next year or early 2020 at the latest. The news has been greeted with excitement from fans on social media. Meanwhile, the film was submitted for Oscar consideration in the Best Picture category by Disney last month and this week won a Top Soundtrack Award at the American Music Awards.
Yeah.